What if I told you a stick figure could become a millionaire without even working harder? All it needed was a little math magic called compound interest. Most people think getting rich is about earning more. But the truth, it's more about how long your money has time to grow. Today, we're diving into the secret power of compound interest, the quiet force that can turn small savings into something massive. Imagine you have $100. You invest it and earn 10% per year. After 1 year, you have $110. Easy, right? But here's the twist. Next year, you don't just earn 10% on your original $100, you earn 10% on $110. So, it's $121, then $133, then $146. Your money starts making money for you. That's the magic of compound interest. It's like rolling a snowball down a hill. At first, it's small, slow, almost boring. But the longer it rolls, the bigger and faster it grows. Even Einstein supposedly called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world because it turns time into your best investment partner. Here's where most people mess up. They think they need a lot of money to start. But starting early beats starting big. If stick figure A invests $100 a month starting at age 20, and stick figure B waits until age 30 to start, even if B invests twice as much, A still ends up richer by retirement. Why? Because the early years give compound interest more time to snowball. Think of compound interest like a tree. The earlier you plant it, the more time it has to grow roots, branches, and fruits. Each year, it doesn't just grow taller, it grows wider too. Every fruit carries new seeds that plant more trees. Now imagine waiting 10 years to plant it. You'll never catch up to the forest that started before you. The formula sounds fancy. A equals P times 1 plus R over N to the NT. But let's translate that into English. P is how much you put in. R is your interest rate, how much your money grows. T is time, the secret ingredient. That last part, time, is where the magic happens. Because every year you earn interest on top of the interest you already earned. Let's make it real. Say you invest $100 every month in something that earns around 8% a year, like the stock market historically does. After 10 years, you'll have about $18,000. After 20 years, around $59,000. After 40 years, over $300,000, all from just $100 a month. That's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-rich-slow truth. But it's one of the few that actually works. Most people never see this power because they give up too early. They invest for a few years, get bored, and pull the money out before the magic kicks in. Compound interest is like a story that only gets good after chapter 10. If you quit in chapter 3, you'll never know how it ends. But beware, there are villains in this story. Their names? Debt and inflation. Debt is compound interest working against you. Instead of your money growing, your payments grow. And inflation? It slowly eats your snowball while you're not looking. The solution? Grow your money faster than they can shrink it. The golden rule: don't touch your earnings. Reinvest them, every cent. That's how compounding accelerates. It's like a hamster wheel of growth. As long as it keeps spinning, you keep winning. Here's what's wild. Most millionaires didn't win the lottery. They just understood time and consistency. Compound interest rewards patience more than brilliance. It doesn't care if you're a genius, it only cares if you stay in the game. So, how does a stick figure get rich? Not by chasing fast money, but by giving time enough time. The earlier you start, the less you have to do, because compound interest doesn't just add, it multiplies. So plant your seed, water it, and let time do the heavy lifting. Money doesn't grow on trees unless you plant it early enough. Start now. Let time work for you.